Have you ever rode your Ryker for about 3 to 5 miles, stopped at a light, or just sat idle and heard this high-pitched vibration noise coming from your engine area? Well, I have. After about 1,000 miles or so of riding, I noticed one day I had the bike parked and I heard this high-pitched vibration noise. Almost sounded like metal on metal. So I'm pushing and pulling and tucking and checking under the bike and around the bike, pulling everything apart, trying to figure out where this noise has come from. And then I happen to put my hand right here while it's vibrating and running, and the sound went away. I found out that the air box has an inner liner that holds the air filter. Those two pieces were rubbing together, making this high-pitched noise once the bike gets warmed up after about 3 or 5 miles or so of riding. So I found out there's a fix. So I want to share with you what I did to fix that noise permanently. So the only thing you get to hear is the wheels and the exhaust. Check this out.